Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan .NET developer. In this video, I'm going to explain minimum function in SQLite Database. And we can write a minimum function in select statement. And yeah, for that I'm going to use this table data. The table name is parent, and we have 6 rows in a parent table. And yeah, let's get into this. And I just added one additional query editor, and you can see now I'm going to check the least age who has a um, who is very younger. So I'm going to just who is very younger in this list. So for that, writing the query now, select minimum age, uh, comma star from parent. Yeah, it shows we are getting the least age, right? So 38 is very least, you can see 38 is at least, and the younger one is Andrea. Actually, Andrea 38, female, right? Female. So yeah, by using minimum function, so we can get the particular row by using this minimum function. Okay, I hope you can understand what is minimum function is. So in this next video I will explain maximum function. Thank you.